Teen killed in suspected shark attack in Trelawney. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica Reed, a 16-year-old grade 10 student of the William Nib High School in Trelawney, lost his life at sea in what is suspected to be a shark attack. According to the Constabulary Communication Network, at around 6 a.m. on Monday, Jamaica left home when fishing at the sea alone. He did not return home on that day. However, about 9 a.m. on Tuesday, fishermen saw the body afloat in the water and alerted them. On their arrival, Jamari's body was seen with what appears to be sharp bites. His head and left hand were bitten off. The body was fished from the water and taken to the morgue.
I'm feeling so bad, man. So bad. That's something we argue about, we talk about, we fight about. You understand? He's not doing it for a road cause, he's not doing it for needy or anything. Trust me, it's so bad, man. This is what it is still, you know?
The teen's body was found near Fisherman's Village. Fisherman Robert Robinson, the teen's uncle, told reporters that the teen had been fishing since early morning.
I went to see him see fish, swimming and see fish drop beside me. And as Paul drop beside me, I take him myself. I not attack him, I not beat him. I get a chance to move and I move.
No man, it forced me to experience. I hear about it somewhere else, but no, it forced me to see that.
His parents, Michael, Reed and Laverne Robinson, were unconsolable when they received the news that their son's ravaged body was seen at sea in the vicinity of the Falmouth All-Age School.
Careful, look for the unexpected. Look for the unexpected and don't panic. You can't panic a scene or coward. So you have to have the bravest mind and heart every time. You have to look out for the unexpected. You're in the boat, you're alone. Monsters coming from all angles, you don't know where they're coming from. You look like a fish for half pound, but a bigger one will feed him. So that you have to look for the unexpected at sea.
The fishermen who recovered the body from the sea off the coast of the fishing village disclosed that they have encountered large sharks as they sought to remove the body from the water. A massive crowd gathered at the fishing village where the covered body remains in a boat under the watchful eyes of police until the arrival of the undertakers. The fishermen also said that it was the first time they have heard of a deadly shark attack in the area. Jamaica would have been going into grade 11 when school reopens in September at the William Nib High School. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.